Hey everyone, welcome back to our Spring Boot tutorial series, where we simplify complex backend concepts and help you become a pro at building powerful production ready Java applications. In this series, we are diving deep into Spring Boot from very basic to advanced features like building RESTful APIs, integrating with databases, implementing security, and even developing microservices to the cloud. Whether you are a beginner just getting started or a developer brushing up your skills, you are on the right place. So grab a coffee, take a notebook, and let's get started. So, before we dive into code, let's answer the most important question. What exactly is Spring Boot? To see why Spring Boot is such a game changer, we need to rewind the story behind it. Back in the early 2000s, Java developer had to write a lot of configurations code just to get a web app running. You need to define beans, set up XML files, handle dependency manually. It was powerful but painful, slow to get started. That's where Spring Framework comes in, offering a modular, flexible way to build enterprise Java applications. But even Spring comes with a steep learning curve and a lot of boilerplate codes. So, developer at the pivotal, now it is a part of VMware, ask a simple question: what if we could eliminate all the setups and let developer focus only on building great application? Now enter Spring Boot in 2014. So what is Spring Boot? Spring Boot is an open source Java based framework used to create standalone production ready Spring applications with minimal configurations. In simple words, it takes a powerful Spring framework and make it faster, easier, and way more developer friendly. With Spring Boot, you don't need to manually configure XML files, set up your own servers, install 10 different libraries, and worry about version conflict issues. Spring Boot does all of these for you out of the box. You simply add the feature you need, like web, JPA, or security, using starter dependencies, and Spring Boot takes care of rest of the things. Imagine you want to build a REST API. In traditional Spring, you need to have create Spring project, add Tomcat server and configure it, add Spring MVC, add JSON for JSON, logging libraries, and more. But with Spring Boot, you just say, I want a web app. Add Spring Boot Starter Web. I want JPA support. Add Spring Boot Starter Data JPA. That's it. Your job is done. It gives a working project in a minute. In short, Spring Boot is like express lane for Java developers. It's fast to set up, easy to scale, packed with the powerful default features, perfect for building modern REST APIs and microservices. And that's why it is the go-to framework for the companies like Netflix, Amazon, Uber, and Airbnb when building Java-based backend systems. That's it for the today's video. In next video, we will see how to set up Spring Boot project in a minute using Spring Initializer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more awesome Tech Insight videos. See you next video.